4, episode 4 of Golf Cart Confessions, and I have a special guest, Arnesa.
Hi, everybody.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh man, I tell you what, I couldn't be any better because this is an impromptu golf cart confession, and
Awesome.
you are just the perfect person to do
Well,
this
thank
with.
you, Kenny.
Awesome. So, Arnesa, what would you like to confess to today?
Okay, I will confess that I worked at a Ford dealership for 15 years, but I bought 2 Fords from Toyota Bowling Green.
That's right.
Yep. So
I like it. That's a good
So if
confession.
anybody needs a car, come by Toyota.
That's right. Come by Toyota Bowling. We got lifetime powertrain. We've got all kinds of good new and used cars,
Yeah,
right?
Free car wash too.
Free car wash for a year.
Yes. Yep. That's
Awesome.
the best part of it.
Yeah. Look, this was a quick confession, and I appreciate you joining me. I
problem.
mean, this is just like on the spot, right?
Yes.
I walked in and I said, Arnesa, would you like to do a golf cart
Why not?
confession?
Yeah.
And she said, why not? So this is going to air in 2019, so you'll be one of the first episodes
Oh,
of
great.
2019.
I'm excited. I can't wait to see it.
We can't wait because we want John to see it
I
too,
know,
huh?
right? Come on, John.
Yeah. Hey, John, come on and get it here. Oh, John said no. Well, hey, that was season 4, episode 4 of Golf Cart Confessions. Who will we interview next? It could be John. Where's he at? Hey, there he is right there.